Yo, another quick pickup. This one is from Dime. They're located in Montreal, Canada. They had a drop, I believe, last week. Pretty quick shipping. Prices were pretty cheap on their Canadian to USD dollars. They're a skate shop. Sell a couple of pieces. That's it. Ooh. Alright, so I got a reflective white Dime sticker, black reflective, another one, so 3. That was dope. Alright, let's get to this one. I got a 6-panel, just a classic 6-panel black Dime. That Dime logo. Just a classic dad cap 6-panel. Back. Yep, classic black colorway. Next up, picked up a Dime Volcano tee, size medium. And this charcoal. It says Dime. Medium, 100% cotton, and it has this made in Mexico. So just like a logo, it says Dime, and then it has a volcano. Picked up this shirt. And the last piece I picked up was this Dime Fast hoodie, all black. Very thick quality, Dime size medium. Just has that logo printed on there. So yeah, just a quick pickup. It has that kangaroo pouch, and yeah, just a simple piece. Just a quick pickups from Dime. Thanks for watching. Got more videos coming soon. Have a great day. See you guys later. Peace.